You can expect a lot from the 2020 Toyota RAV4. The aerodynamic exterior design both looks good and enhances fuel economy, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Top features include remote keyless entry, power door mirrors, lane departure warning, and a split folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.